Here's Precalculus problem 8-78. It gives you this function h of x, and it wants you to break it apart into, well, it wants you to rewrite it as f of g of x. So it wants you to figure out how to write it as like a composition of functions. So I don't know how to explain this very well, but I'm going to let g of x equal this, because then I can plug. I noticed that at first it was confusing, but I noticed that if I factored a 5 out over here, then I'd have 5 times 2x minus 1. So it's like I can kind of plug it in right here, like here's my cube root, and then if I just plug in, if I let g of x be 2x minus 1, I'm plugging it in right there, and that's equal to this part of h of x. And then if I take a 5 out here and plug g of x in here, that kind of gives the rest of h of x. So what I'm saying is that if f of x is cube root of x plus 5x, and I let g of x be 2x minus 1, that's all going to equal h of x, like, because when I plug g of x in, because see how we're plugging g of x in, that puts the 2x minus 1 right here, and then it gives me 5 times 2x minus 1 here, and all I have to do is distribute out and get my h of x. So here's letter B. Letter B, I'm going to have to zoom out so you can see the original function. So letter B wants you to go f of x minus g of x. So I thought it was so easy just to pull. That's kind of why I wrote it with a big space in between. I thought it was easy to look at it as two pieces here. And I can just change that into a minus. I think I did it right here. You know, like, if I distribute that back out, I get negative times negatives, positive, and negative times positives, negative. So I like chopped it into these two pieces. So then I can call this one f of x, and I can call this one g of x. And then when I put them all together, I'm going to end up with h of x, which was our original. So I'm going to let f of x be cube root of 2x minus 1, and I'm going to let g of x be negative 10x plus 5. And that's it.